buddy Poppy. This is Poppy's Workshop Caffeine and BS for April 27th, 2019. Yes, I had to check the little calendar on my tablet here. One moment while... Oh... burning hot. Okay. I was just watching Adam's latest, him machining the handle for a vise that he's collaborating with the man who forged it. Collaborating with the man who forged it. Very nice. Very nice indeed. An elegant solution to turning those two balls. Alright, now to the meat of this video. As far as I know, I'm the third entrant in Emma's Spare Room Machine Shop Tool Making Competition 2019, and there's only four that is way short of enough. There gotta be at least 100 more people enter. Understand? Yeah, you 100 right out there, yeah, enter. Hurry up. I'm serious here, man. You know, the more of you guys that enter, the less my humiliation at losing is going to be, because I'll have more people to hide behind. Hell gonna freeze over? Yeah, but I don't have snowball's chance. I predict that oil dispenser is gonna win. I do. I really do. I mean, it's beautiful. Made out of common scraps. Or some uncommon scraps. I mean, I didn't see anything outrageously weird in that scrap pile he worked out of. Did you? So anyway, enter. I need someone... a lot of people to hide behind, you know, especially when they show my video at the judging. People throwing popcorn and beer cans. And I will definitely have to tune in for the live stream. I can hardly wait till they geek chorus my video. Even worse is they bring up some of the ones that are my entry. Maybe the political ones, you know. Michigan J. Frog said Hoppity Hooper could swim in a Cuisinart. Now that's funny. Anyway, I'm getting back out in the shop tonight, and I'm continuing my mount the 10,000ths indicator on the side of my compound. I've already got the actuation stop machined and installed. Now I just have to drill and tap a series of 632s on the side of my shear line compound. I already avoided the warranty when I drilled and tapped that 632 hole in that red anodized bass. Or is that when I machined down the hand wheel and re-knurled it with my pinch knurler? If anyone at Shereline's watching my videos, I bet they're pulling their hair and screaming. When hell freezes over.